Welcome. This is the second video of my analog computer that I built out of cardboard and wires and switches and potentiometers and 1 meter. I'm showing this because I made some upgrades to the machine since then. The major one being the potentiometers back here that I used to replace the small ones that you see in the other video. Each one of these stores one word. So, for instance, I've got the word cat. That's resistance is stored in this first potentiometer by way of inputting it on these potentiometers back here. As you can see, CAT, roughly. The other ones aren't used unless it's a longer word, or whatever you decide to store in there. What I've done now is leave it on, and I'm going to show you the display now that I built in the back. That's also new. And it indicates what this switch used to indicate here, but was really too small to see. It scans the cores. So it's scanning the first core, as you can see, with a crude connection through through a ballpoint pen spring. But I do like mechanical computers. So what that's looking at is this first potentiometer here that I initially balanced when I put in the letter CAT for the first potentiometer here. So that's what it's showing. It's indicating that. And if you look over here, the way I can tell is when this meter is balanced right in the middle, that shows me that that word is correct. It's because the resistances are all different over here. Even if off by a slight amount, I can change it. I can show you that now because I'm going to switch over here to the second one, which is for dog. But what I would have to do in order to check it at this point would be to have the letters DOG program in there. So it's recognizing what's stored in these cores over here, or potentiometers. Also, I'm thinking of expanding this in the future. If you have any comments, I'd really appreciate it. But basically, it's just a circuit that balances out what I put in the input over to here, over to here, and back to the output there in the form of light bulbs. So thank you very much for watching once again, and that's it.